I went to the supermarket today. I was in search for a toothpaste that will help me with my um, pains I was having in my gum. And so as I got there, I found that I saw two different kinds of products. One was from Colgate and the other was from Sensodyne. So I was really confused as what to buy. So at this point, I remembered that ChatGPT could help me decide which one to buy. And I started to use it to make a decision. So the first thing I did was take a picture of I went to ChatGPT and I told it I wanted to add a picture. So I took a picture of the first product, which was Colgate PerioCard. And I gave it this prompt. Tell me about the efficacy of this product. Does it perform as stated? And I said, go. And then he came back with this answer. The product is the image of Colgate PerioCard. It was able to identify the product just from the picture. And then he gave me the overview, the gum health, enamel repair, sensitivity relief, and clinical backing. And then he gave me a conclusion. He said, this product generally performs as stated when used consistently as directed. Okay. I said, okay, well, good. And then I did something else. Then I took a picture of the second product that I liked. It was the Sensodyne sensitive gum. And I gave it this prompt. I said, compare the efficacy of this product to the last product. And then he said this. The second immediately identified the product. He said the second image shows Sensodyne sensitivity in gum toothpaste, specifically the proactive protect formula. Let's compare this with the previously shown Colgate PerioCard SF across key performance areas. Then decided to compare them. The first comparison was on gum health. Told me that they both use stannous fluoride and told me there are different strengths. And then the verdict was both are clinically proven to improve gum health. And then he looked at the sensitive relief of both. You see, he's using a table to compare the two products. And then he goes to compare the enamel protection and then the price of it. This was very interesting. How did ChatGPT know the prices of these two products? Well, he did. And then overall recommendation, he said, choose Colgate if your main concern is gum health. Choose Sensodyne sensitivity and gum if your top priority is tooth sensitivity relief. And immediately I knew what I wanted. I actually wanted something to deal with my gum health. My gum wasn't quite sensitive per se, but it was more of, bleeding. And so this is exactly how you can use ChatGPT straight away to do things in real life. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you're going to use this knowledge to do your own research using ChatGPT to compare products and compare different things. Thanks for listening.